Hey folks, Shaw here with Royal Tiger Imports, and today we're back with another unboxing video. So due to very popular demand with the CZ82s that we've had, we got in another shipment. So we've got in quite a few of the CZ82 pistols, and we've even got some of the cleaning rods as well. And of course, I wanted to bring out some of the accessories that we've already had for these. So we've got our original holster, magazine holster or magazine pouch with magazines, belt holsters, and I don't have it in front of me right here, but we also have shoulder holsters. We've got a little bit of everything for the CZ82s. But let's focus on the main star of the show, the CZ82s themselves. These are ones that we've just gotten out of this most recent shipment here that we've already started processing, but we're also going to pop open a fresh pallet to see what we find in another one. But it's a pretty standard CZ82 at the end of the day. That being said, the condition is pleasantly surprising on these. 12-round mag. These are, of course, in 9x18 Makarov. It's a great little pistol. It's, a just very robust Czech design pistol. Single action, double action, hammer fired. It's a nice shooting pistol. They're just, kind of a workhorse, for lack of a better term. But without further ado, let's pop open this pallet and see what we find. That one is still sealed up. And would you look at that? CZ82s. As you can see right off the bat, it's in pretty similar condition to that one that we just viewed out of a previous crate that we've just opened. Again, we just got these today. These are brand new to us here at our facility, but pleasantly surprising. Let's take another look at one that's a little more buried and just see. Funny enough, that one somebody has put a little rubber overmold on it. You'll see sometimes on these that they have put a little addition for usage. That being said, that's something that easily slips off. And then we've got, if we pull these over to the side, you can see them all lined up, nicely packed in their crates. Condition varies. Some are quite near, approaching like new condition. Some are a little bit more used. It just depends. It's quite the variety condition. That being said, overall, these things are in pretty great shape. We're very impressed with the overall condition. Of course, they did see usage, but they're not like the Ethiopian firearms where they were, not so nicely stored compared to these. They were stored indoors. They were stored quite well. Overall, they're just great pieces to have, and especially, check out our website on what you can get these for. They are pretty impressive. Right now, we are also offering some with the holsters, and we are also offering some just the pistol themselves. We can do an additional bundle as well. You can get with the holster and magazine pouch. A little bit of everything. You can get the shoulder holster, you can get the belt holster, whatever you want to get for your CZ82 or just the CZ82 by itself. Take a look online. One last thing I do want to point out here. We have not had these yet, but these are the cleaning rods. They're all in pretty good shape. They don't seem to have had too much use. And funny enough, if we take a closer look in here, some are even brand new in the packaging still. So just wanted to show off for a quick unboxing video. I know it's been a little while since we've done a video here at Royal Tiger Imports, but that being said, I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.